Easily fix WordPress not sending emails. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. If not a Wi-Fi connection, then you can switch to a cellular data as well. Next, tap on the Play Store application and search for WordPress. So just make sure that you have the latest version of the application on your device, and as you can see on the screen, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version. So we're going to go back and then draw the app and then scroll down and tap or make a long press on WordPress. Then tap on app info and it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data. So tap on clear data and you'll be able to clear cache and delete all data. After that, tap on the app permissions and then make sure that you have given access to all of these options and give that access to all these options. After that, you can just go back and relaunch, and this might help you fix the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.